To a team traffic alert now. Construction on the Broadway Bridge in downtown Nashville is well underway. News 2's Corey Johnson joins us after speaking with TDOT officials about the status of that project following the severe weather that we've had recently. Corey.
That's right, Haley. TDOT officials tell me not only is the bridge on schedule for its completion, the work might even finish just a little bit earlier than expected. Now, this is despite a small pause in construction recently due to storms and severe weather. The contractors for the replacement have weather delays built into the process in order to help keep them on track. Now, this is a look at the progress on the bridge posted to social media this week. Yesterday, 2 spans were placed across the width of the structure, and the beams are currently being put in place as well. TDOT officials are asking drivers and those who live in that area to continue to exercise patience.
We know that it's really impacting businesses in the detour footprint. And what we are hopeful for is that, getting everything done in a timely manner, in an efficient manner, will really lessen the impact. With a project of this size, what we hope people remember is that if we didn't do it in this expedited fashion, a project like this could take 3 to 5 years.
Now, the bridge is scheduled to partially reopen to traffic in early September. The entire project is slated to be complete by the end of October. For real-time updates and to watch video of the Broadway Bridge replacement, make sure to use this QR code right there on your screen.